what is it that makes current MotoGP performance the best ever? Pecco Bagnaya's winning time at Mugello in 2024 was almost 3 minutes faster than Valentino Rossi's from 2002. Bagnaia could have done 1.5 laps more in the time it took Rossi to win the 2002 race. At Silverstone in 2024, Aleix Espargaro took pole with a new lap record. 6 seconds faster than Jorge Lorenzo in 2010. Lean angles in MotoGP have also reached ever more insane limits, and body positioning has become ever more extreme as we've gone from knees down to elbows down and now even shoulders down on the asphalt. There have also been huge steps forward in terms of the innovative technology featured on MotoGP bikes. So, what's next? MotoGP tyres are set to become more sustainably produced using more recycled materials. Fuel efficiency has already increased hugely, and now MotoGP fuel is of a minimum 40% non-fossil origin, a figure that will soon rise to 100%. Are the bikes used in MotoGP now the best in history? The evidence on track suggests the answer is yes.